Civil Service Exam. Philippine Constitution. General Information and Current Events Part 1. 1. What are the three main branches of the government of the Philippines? 1. Senate, Supreme Court, Congress. 2. Presidential, unicameral parliamentary, bicameral parliamentary. 3. Legislative, executive, judicial. 4. The legislature, the Senate, the Supreme Court. Answer. Legislative, executive, judicial. 2. The Supreme Court shall be composed of a Chief Justice and how many Associates Justices? 1. 12. 2. 13. 3. 14. 4. 15. Answer. 14. 3. The Commander-in-Chief of all Armed Forces of the Philippines this 2017 is 1. Air Force Commanding General Jeffrey Delgado. 2. Rodrigo Duterte. 3. Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. 4. AFP Chief Lieutenant General Emmanuel Bautista. Answer. President Rodrigo Duterte. 4. The executive power shall be vested in the blank. 1. President of the Philippines. 2. House of Representatives. 3. The Supreme Court. 4. The Congress. Answer. President of the Philippines. 5. The legislative power shall be vested in the which shall consist of a Senate and a House of Representatives. 1. Congress of the Philippines. 2. House of Ombudsman. 3. The Supreme Court. 4. Bureau of Internal Revenue. Answer. Congress of the Philippines. 6. The Senate shall be composed of how many senators elected at large by voters of the Philippines? 1. 21. 2. 22. 3. 23. 4. 24. Answer. 24. 7. How long shall the term of office of the senators be commenced? 1. 3 years. 2. 4 years. 3. 5 years. 4. 6 years. Answer. 6 years. 8. The term of office of the President and Vice President of the Philippines shall be up to how many years? 1. 3 years. 2. 4 years. 3. 5 years. 4. 6 years. Answer. 6 years. 9. The members of the House of Representatives shall be elected for a term of 1. 3 years. 2. 4 years. 3. 5 years. 4. 6 years. Answer. 3 years. 10. The following shall be exempted from taxation except 1. Lands and buildings. 2. Churches and convents. 3. Charitable institutions. 4. Nonprofit cemeteries. Answer. Lands and buildings. 11. The Congress, by a vote of both houses in joint session assembled, voting separately, shall have the sole power to declare a state of war. 1. 2/3. 2. 1/2. 3. 3/4. 4. Minority. Answer. 2/3. 12. It states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. 1. Article 6. 2. Bill of Rights. 3. Republic Act. 4. Court Order. Answer. Bill of Rights. 13. All of the following is true except 1. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. 2. No person shall be imprisoned for non-payment of debt or poll tax. 3. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall not be enacted. 4. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political beliefs and aspirations. Answer. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall not be enacted. 14. The following are citizens of the Philippines except 1. Those fathers or mothers are citizens of the Philippines. 2. Those who are born before January 17, 1973, of Filipino mothers, who elect Philippine citizenship upon reaching the age of majority. 3. Those who are naturalized citizens of the Philippines in accordance with law. 4. All of the above are true. Answer. All of the above are true. 15. It is the right and obligation by all citizens, who are at least 18 years of age, and qualified by law, to vote in the election of national and local officials of the government without literacy, property, or other substantive requirement. 1. Suffrage. 2. Election. 3. Voting power. 4. Civil right. Answer. Suffrage. 16. The three inherent powers of the state are the following except 1. 1. Police power. 2. Power of eminent domain. 3. Power of taxation. 4. Power to impeach. Answer. Power to impeach. 17. It is the power of the state to promote public welfare by restraining the use of both liberty and property of all people. 1. Police power. 2. Power of eminent domain. 3. Power if taxation. 4. Power to impeach. Answer. Police power. 18. It is the power of the state to take properties for the purpose of public use upon payment of just compensation. 1. Police power. 2. Power of eminent domain. 3. Power if taxation. 4. Power to impeach. Answer. Power of eminent domain. 19. It is the power of the state to impose charge or burden to persons and properties, and property rights for the purpose of raising revenues to protect the people and extend public projects and services. 1. Police power. 2. Power of eminent domain. 3. Power if taxation. 4. Power to impeach. Answer. Power of taxation. 20. The following are members of the Constitutional Commission except 1. Commission on Civil Rights. 2. Commission on Elections. 3. Civil Service Commission. 4. Commission on Audit. Answer. Commission on Civil Rights. 21. It states that public office is public trust and that public officers and employees must, at all times, be accountable to the people, serve them with utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty and efficiency, act with patriotism and justice and lead modest lives. 1. Public trust. 2. Constitutional rights. 3. Accountability. 4. Responsibility. Answer. Accountability. 22. Who shall have the exclusive power to initiate all cases of impeachment? 1. House of Blue Ribbon Committee. 2. House of Representatives. 3. House of the Senate. 4. Speaker of the House. Answer. House of Representatives. 23. RA 6713 is an act to uphold the time-honored principle of public office being a public trust, granting incentives and rewards for exemplary service, enumerating prohibited acts and providing penalties for violations thereof and for other purposes. 1. Preamble. 2. Code of Ethics. 3. Code of Government Officials. 4. Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. Answer. Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. 24. The following are duties and responsibilities of public officials and employees except 1. Act promptly on letters, inquiries, calls or any other form of communications sent by the public. 2. Submit performance reports of the agency or office regularly. 3. Accept gifts from the public upon prioritizing their queries. 4. Process documents and papers expeditiously. Answer. Accept gifts from the public upon prioritizing their queries. 25. It is a written instrument containing the proposition and required number of signatories and shall be in a form determined by and submitted to the Commission on Elections. 1. Bill. 2. Law. 3. Proposition. 4. Petition. Answer. Petition.